Hello guys, so today I'll actually be showing you guys today on another platform at which is actually paying it a survey, and today I would like you to actually take advantage of this particular update as it actually pays without requiring of UK number and ID verification. If today is your first time of coming across our channel, I would like you to do well to subscribe to our channel, like, and then click on the notification bell so that you can receive every of our new updates as notification. All right, let us proceed guys. So we head over straight to Chrome Beta. So here on our browser, you will type opday.com, like opday.com, and then send. All right, here we are guys. You can see from here is a share your opinion and win rewards. Start today and receive up to £0.75 as welcome bonus. So the moment you sign up, you will be given £0.75 as your welcome bonus. So what you do here is to sign in, is to sign up using any email address at which you want to use. So let me just put. So from here, if you put your password, I don't actually want to put a password again. I don't want to sign up another account because I already have an account here. So what you do is you put your password, you put on figure, letter, hashtag, anything like that, just to make sure that your password is something that is very strong. So from here, if you now click on sign up, it will now take you to another interface where it will show your country and your time zone, and this will depend on the proxy you are using or VPN you are using. If it is a UK VPN or you are using a US VPN, so it's going to display it for you like United States of America and then the time zone. But make sure you check on the time zone very well. If you are using a US proxy and the time zone is showing GMT 000, you understand how that works. So make sure you change it to Pacific time. This is for those that are using a US proxy but is showing a UK country time zone. Then from there you move on. As you can see now that the email has actually been sent to my email address. So it's saying welcome to OPD, verify email address, and this. So if I scroll up, you see to celebrate we're offering you 30 points, and remember that we were first offered the 20 points in the first place, and with this one, if we are now being if we not take advantage of this one, that will be extra 30 points, making worth 50 points. So what we do next is to verify this email address, and you don't do that by clicking on it, but rather what you need to do is to long press on this verify my email address, this green button. So if I long press on it now, so you can see now, so you click on copy URL. Yeah, so once we've done that, what we need to do next is to head over back to our browser. Yes, so this was where we are. So now we are back here. So what you do next is to click on this search bar. Yes, and then you paste the URL link that you copied in the first place, paste it there, and then click on send. So now you can see now that the moment I pasted the link and I click on send, I waited a bit for it to verify. So you can see I said your email is confirmed, congratulations, to celebrate we're offering you 30 more points. So what you need to do now is to click on continue. Straight up, you can see now that from this upper part of this point, before it was showing 20 points, but now it has become what, 50 points. Now in this interface, now you can see that there is this thing, this become a certified teacher, is actually an ads. Yeah, you actually should just continue and don't let the ads become a distraction for you. So from here now you can see say answer survey every day to earn rewards. So you can see details of your earnings, 20 points, but although it has already been changed to 50 points already, if we reload, press on refresh, if you refresh, so I just refreshed it now, you can see now that it has changed to 50 points, which is the normal way it's supposed to be. So my current balance is £0.38. So from here, what you need to do next is to click on complete survey. Click on this complete surveys. So you can see now from here, got this complete survey said earn money by completing surveys. So from this aspect now, if you see our surveys here, you can see 24 points, 22 points, all this, but this is what you need to take note about. Now if you see from this 24 points, you can see the very particular platform that is sponsoring this survey is CPX Research. A CPX, and you know the way CPX often does, they screen out sometimes, and it's something that is very common about them as to the kind of your ISP, the ISP, or the ISP of your location is what really matters to them most of the time. If it does not qualify for their survey, that's what prompts into screening out most of the time. But irrespective of that, let's scroll down. So if you scroll down, you can see that this particular 27 point is by BitLabs. Yes, BitLabs, and you can see from this rating of the star under it is a full 5 stars. So which means that people are actually taking advantage of that one, and they are giving a good commentary about it. So BitLab, CPX, your Lucidentry links, and more like that. So you can actually maximize each one that you might want to take advantage on depending on your convenience. So from here, what we do next is to click on this cup, champion cup icon, that is this side. So from here now, you can see you can choose your reward method, which is your also payment method. So you can choose Amazon, use Visa or PayPal or other gift cards, at which might be your own base of preference. But for me, I'll be choosing on PayPal, and let's see the minimum at which PayPal is offering for their payment method. So for here, you can see that PayPal is actually offering £7.5 for their minimum withdrawal. So that's the minimum withdrawal to when you are using PayPal. That's the minimum withdrawal, which is equivalent to 1,000 points as well. So you can choose to use that. So from here, you click on this screen icon that is below this side. You can, as you can see, this is an ad. You can just decide to click on close. Okay, so from here now, you can just click on this 50 points. This 50 points, you can just click on it, and then so you can see now that this is the place at which you can view your payment overview. You know, just check your activity histories, and then you can see my email confirmation is still today, and also the welcome bonus, and all that, the payment history, so that you can be able to monitor how far you are going with your stuffs on this particular platform. You can see currently on 50 points out of 1,000 points to be able to get to £7.5 and then make my withdrawal. All right, so you can click on this aspect. If you want to log out, you can just click on these 3 lines here, and then you can see the things that are necessary there. If you find this video helpful, ensure to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified on every of our new videos, and ensure to subscribe as well to our channel. Thank you so much.